So this seemingly endless search for a coach for the reggae boys, something is not adding up. That Holgrimson's departure was on the cards for months. JFF was aware he was leaving, and yet the man gone, how much weeks now, get a new job. And I'll know Jamaica is still searching and searching and searching. The JFF is like a crying child, left alone in a dark room, trying to find the light switch. And when the lights in there. That is the JFF feeling for a coach. And this is crazy. The worst possible thing we could have right now is this kind of uncertainty and instability ahead of the Nations League fixtures coming up in September, and a new coach who will be trying to find his footing going into the resumption of the World Cup qualifiers next year. This feels like the worst and still worsening situation. We don't have a coach, and it don't sound or look like we're going to be getting a coach anytime soon. We're going to end up rushing to get a coach, any coach, and then we have to just carry the coach come and then keep our fingers crossed. Same time, coach, and say to work. See my fingers.